Many people in electronics manufacturing often confuse SMD and SMT, but the difference is clear. SMD stands for Surface Mount Device, which refers to electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, chips, and LEDs that are mounted directly on the circuit board. SMT stands for Surface Mount Technology, the complete process of soldering SMD components onto a PCB through solder paste printing, high-speed placement, reflow soldering, and AOE and X-ray inspection. Simply put, SMD is the component, and SMT is the assembly method. SMD components are small, highly integrated, and ideal for slim and high-frequency products, while SMT is highly automated and suitable for mass production. In PCB design, component selection directly affects assembly difficulty and quality, so choosing a supplier with precise placement capabilities and complete quality control is particularly important. Kaboer can handle various fine pitch packages including 0 to 01, BGA, and KFN, providing you with reliable, efficient, and one-stop PCB assembly services.